Boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom, chicka,
Alright, let's get 2 more bottle rockets spin up.
2 more bottle rockets, 2 more bottle rockets, 2, 2, 2. See here, you can't really tell, but
I mean, at least we'll get both of them.
Evan is attempting to take the 2 bottle rockets. Alright, there we go. See, look at that artwork. It's like Picasso. It's Picasso right there. You got the green and the red all jammed together. Oh, with yellow letters. Who'd have thought of that? And then there's Mr. Ducky. Ah, Mr. Ducky. Oh, who is who? That is Kevin on the left, and that is Evan on the right. Look at all those hands in there.
Oh my goodness, Steven,
I can't see it. I'm blocking. Oh my goodness! What?
Oh, score! Alright, here we go.
Oh, hold on. Let's get a close up for this.
Check that
Oh,
out.
look at that bad boy.
Beautiful.
Oh,
alright.
somebody's gonna get hurt. Alright. To our secret,
Want me to take the flashlight?
yes. Aim it on, wait. Alright, so we're just gonna light it. Yep. Oh.
Yeah, I got myself too.
Oh. Oh, Jesus. I'm very sorry for the words that I said.
What did I say? What did I say?
I don't know who said that.
That's right.
I don't know who said that, but I'm sure they're very sorry. And alright. That was very scary though. In my in whoever's defense, it was pretty scary. Alright, here comes another one. Oh, Shazam!
I think I just stepped in dog poop. Oh,
For those of you watching, Evan just stepped in dog poop in his brand new shoes, shining on. Oh, look at this. Adidas. They have a pretty good deal going on right now at Foot Locker. You know,
Alright.
two for what is it? 85. 2 for 90. Oh, Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna cut it off here because this is getting pretty dang long. Alright.